Hi, everyone. It's Mike Weaver, one of the product owners here at Quadratech, and I'm here with Doug Davis, our technical product manager for data and analytics. So, Doug, we've got this great tool set, the Nova tool set,
Yes.
and we've spent a lot of time on it. But a lot of times, I think when people get access to these big tools with tons and tons of features, it can sometimes be overwhelming. What do you think are the top three things organizations should use when they get Nova for the first time to get that first initial return on the tool set that they purchased?
That's a great question. One of the things, or three. Well, I guess we break it down into three things. The number one thing that people want to know is what's in place from a management infrastructure perspective. So, who are owning my teams? Who are owning my SharePoint sites? Who are in my administrative roles? We do a lot of reporting that basically gives you that visibility. One of the biggest challenges in Office 365 is this stuff is distributed all throughout a whole bunch of different UIs, a lot of different capabilities that you need to learn to be able to do that. We consolidate that all into one. So you get a really good picture of exactly where people have their tentacles throughout the organization. And that's really nice. The other thing is people never know what's being used. Is Yammer being used? Is Teams being used? Is Skype for Business finally going away? Do we do a lot of OneDrive usage? So you get a really good set of usage reports, and they're very clear. They're consolidated, so you can compare OneDrive to SharePoint, Skype to Teams, and you can find out who those specialists are, the people that are really leveraging these workloads and maybe use them as internal evangelists or something if we want to do that. And then finally, there are, I don't know what the count is, but there's probably 1,000 different security settings in Office 365.
Yeah.
And there's no one place you can go to see those. We have some nice consolidated security reporting that basically allow you to say, do I at least have a baseline of security set within my environment? And who do I need to talk to? Who are the people that are really managing it from a security perspective? And I'm able to get a sense of whether or not I'm at risk of certain other things. So those three things: management, infrastructure, usage, and security are probably the three things people look at the most.
Great. Thank you, Doug. Great
Mike?
tips.